Under Armour, the story of the founding and growth of sportswear brand Under Armour and how they came up with high-quality products and groundbreaking marketing strategies to become one of the famous sports brands. Founded in 1996 by Kevin Plank, a former college football player, Under Armour quickly rose to prominence as a leading sportswear brand renowned for its high-quality products and groundbreaking marketing strategies. This essay explores the journey of Under Armour, from its humble beginnings to becoming one of the most recognized sportswear brands in the world. We will delve into their commitment to innovation, their focus on quality products, and their revolutionary marketing campaigns. Kevin Plank founded Under Armour with a vision to create athletic apparel that could enhance performance and provide athletes with an edge. The company's first breakthrough came with the introduction of a moisture-wicking fabric, known as heat gear, which revolutionized the industry. Unlike traditional cotton shirts that absorbed sweat and became heavy, Under Armour's heat gear technology efficiently managed moisture, keeping athletes cool, dry, and comfortable during intense physical activities. With a focus on performance and functionality, Under Armour expanded its product line to include a wide range of sportswear, including compression garments, footwear, accessories, and outerwear. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in the continuous development of new technologies and materials that enhance athletic performance. From cold gear, designed to provide warmth in cold conditions, to all-season gear, suitable for all-weather activities, Under Armour consistently strives to push the boundaries of sportswear technology. One of Under Armour's notable successes lies in their dedication to quality craftsmanship. They pride themselves on using premium materials, employing advanced manufacturing techniques, and conducting rigorous testing to ensure durability and performance. By focusing on quality, Under Armour has gained the trust of athletes and fitness enthusiasts around the world, establishing a reputation for delivering products that meet the highest standards. In addition to their commitment to innovation and quality, Under Armour's marketing strategies have played a pivotal role in their success. The brand has always been known for its bold and compelling advertising campaigns that resonate with athletes and consumers. Under Armour broke away from traditional marketing approaches and adopted a more edgy and authentic style that captured the attention of the target audience. Under Armour's Protect This House campaign, launched in 2003, became a sensation and exemplified their fearless approach to marketing. The campaign featured gritty and intense commercials showcasing the dedication and determination of athletes. This campaign established Under Armour as a brand that understood and celebrated the hard work, sacrifice, and commitment required to succeed in sports. Another groundbreaking marketing move by Under Armour was their early recognition of the power of athlete endorsements. They strategically partnered with prominent athletes across different sports, leveraging their influence and credibility to promote the brand. Notable partnerships with athletes such as NBA star Stephen Curry and NFL quarterback Tom Brady have propelled Under Armour's visibility and popularity, solidifying its position in the global sportswear market. Under Armour's marketing efforts have also embraced digital platforms and social media, recognizing their influence in shaping consumer behavior. They have successfully built a strong online presence, engaging with customers through interactive campaigns and immersive experiences. By leveraging technology and digital marketing strategies, Under Armour has effectively connected with its target audience, fostering brand loyalty and expanding its customer base. Furthermore, Under Armour's commitment to corporate social responsibility has helped enhance its brand image.